Okay, so we are gonna get started in looking at this awesome ass kit that I have ready for you guys. When you get your link, it's gonna be a Dropbox link, and you're gonna see a bunch of folders because I have a slight case of OCD and have to organize everything, which is good for you guys so you'll know where everything is. So let me show you. First, we have backgrounds, and there's a total of 10 backgrounds each. First, I have this marble style that I actually created using Procreate. And these are just backgrounds that you can use for anything. Like if you just want to put your own text on it, whatever you want to do. I'm going to show you guys how to make videos, so you'll be able to see how to use them for that. And then there's also going to be story size ones as well, with more of the design in it as well. And then we have the lovely Pretty Little Thing inspired unicorn backgrounds, and one of which is a transparent background, so you'll be able to like put it on top of any color that you want, although it does need to match pink because that's what we're all about for this first kit. Pink is my favorite color, so that's what everybody's gonna get from me for the first go around. And it's story size as well, and they're the same thing. And then I have PNG Instagram ad templates. So basically this white box in the middle is actually transparent, so you'll be able to put the border on top of a picture, and that'll just be an easy way for you to just not just only post a picture but have some creativity with it as well. And then there's just other templates that you can put your own wording on. Like for instance, on this one, the blue square is meant for you to put your website on there, or maybe your Instagram page, whatever it is that you, however you want to do it, that's how you should do it, just so it's different from everyone else's. But all in all, if your page is pink and you love pink, you're gonna have a real good time with this. I hope so, at least, because I think it's really freaking cute. And then I also have PNG story templates. So this is the best part to me, you guys, because I'm going to teach you guys how to use an app on your phone to add either a video or a picture to these templates. That way you can have swipe ups and moving videos just like everyone else does, and it's easy. All you have to do is put this on top. So you'll have a happy birthday one, just a regular unicorn cute one, and they all of these, you'll be able to put your picture where the white space is. It's all transparent for that part. And then I have PNG text and images. So these are images, like these are text that you can't edit, but it's text that most shop owners would use. So I have shop now, tag us, flash sale, book now, and free gift for the call to action ones. There are a couple of PNG images that you can use when you're making the videos that I'm going to show you how to make. This one's really cool because I definitely made Michelle Obama $100. Pink dollars. If you're from California, you know what that is. Anyways, and then I have quotes as well. So these are all PNGs. There's no white around it. It's blank. So you can put it on top of pictures, do whatever you want with them. Make it fun, make it funky, make your page hella bomb. That's the whole point of this. Let's see here. What's that? Okay. And then I have pre-made motivational quotes, and all of the motivational quotes I tried to stick with the don't hide your sparkle type of mood, like, go for your dreams. So they're all based around that. You have to be odd to be number one, be the girl who just went for it. And these ones, the blue box is left blank, so you can put your logo, your website, whatever it is that you want to put there. She turned her can'ts into cans and dreams into plans. Let's let go of the illusion. Oh, definitely have to fix that one. That it could have been any different. Never say anything about yourself that you don't want to come true, by Brian Tracy. Inhale confidence, exhale doubt. Don't call it a dream, call it a plan. Note to self, I'm gonna make you so proud. Be you, do you, for you. Be so good they can't ignore you. And you know, I just try to stay within the bounds of what unicorn means to me. And then you have your call to action quotes. So these are all like, you know, check your emails for tracking, sale starts now, send us your selfies, tag us, that kind of good stuff that you want to have posted at least daily. Let's see. Then I have the shop quotes. So these are like motivational quotes, but for shopping. So happiness is receiving what you ordered online. The UPS truck is like the adult ice cream man. A new pair of shoes is all you need. Cinderella is the proof. Shop in the name of love. Shopping is cheaper than therapy. It really is. And then I have square videos that are pre-made. So you can have videos just like all the other cool people on Instagram. I also have a link. If you read the readme text, there's a couple of links to people that make bomb mashups or music, like beats and music that you can use that won't get your post flagged. So make sure you check out that link. It looks like this on Dropbox, but once you save it on your phone, it's not going to look like that. But these are all moving, so you'll be able to add your own music. If you want to be bold and put Beyonce on your thing, cool, but I can guarantee you Beyonce's team is going to turn your music off. So I highly suggest finding music and just look at what I sent you, so that you can find music that won't turn your music off and you just won't have a blank video without any music, because that's kind of boring. And there's also pre-made story videos as well, pretty much along the same things as the other ones, but you'll be able to have that. Also, let me not forget to add to save any of the files. You're just going to open it up in Dropbox, and you can either hold it down and click save to camera, and it's going to save it, or you can click the three dots in the top right corner and click export, and from there you just click save image and it'll be in your image box.